In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Sheets line chart. So, whether you're tracking data over time or comparing different sets of information, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it both efficient and straightforward. Let's kick things off by preparing your data. For a seamless experience, you'll want to organize everything into a well-structured table. Start by setting clear headers for each column. Typically, you'll use the first column for your x-axis labels, which might be dates or categories depending on your dataset. The remaining columns should contain the data points you wish to plot on the chart. This foundational setup ensures that Google Sheets can interpret your data precisely, allowing you to create an accurate and meaningful line chart. Once your data is neatly organized, it's time to insert your chart. Highlight all the cells you intend to chart, including those headers we just set up. With your range selected, navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, and choose Chart. In an instant, Google Sheets will generate a default chart based on your selected data, saving you the hassle of starting from scratch. If the initial chart isn't a line chart, don't worry. Over on the right side of your screen, you'll see the Chart Editor sidebar pop up. Here, you'll want to click on the Setup tab. Look for the Chart Type drop-down menu, and from there, select Line Chart. If you're looking for variations, you can opt for a smooth line chart, which can give your data a more flowing appearance, or consider a stacked line chart if you're comparing parts of a whole and want to show cumulative effects. Now that you've got your line chart, let's add some personal touches. The customization options let you shape the chart to better fit your presentation or report. Still working within the chart editor, switch over to the Customize tab. Here, you have a variety of ways to polish your chart. Want to clarify your story with titles? Edit the main title, subtitle, and axes labels under Chart and Axis titles. If you'd like to emphasize particular data points, adjust the color, thickness, or even the shape of the points under Series. Consider adding data labels if you want your numbers to be front and center on the chart. You can also tinker with the legend settings to reposition it so it complements rather than obstructs your data narrative. For those who need to tweak axis details, the horizontal and vertical axis sections let you adjust labels, set value limits, and refine grid lines, giving your chart that detailed precision. Armed with these customization options, you can create a chart that not only looks professional, but also tells your data's story in a compelling way. And there you have it, a neatly organized and visually appealing Google Sheets line chart, custom tailored to your needs. Happy charting!